Let's talk about histamine. You see, the carnivore diet is by far the best diet type for emotional health. You see, there are three types of health. Physical health, meaning most of all mobility, energy. We have mental health, meaning clarity of thoughts and organization of mind. And above all, the most important by far is emotional health, meaning our well-being, meaning our inner peace. And you see, meat might make you angry, meaning it might destroy your emotional health if you have an histamine intolerance. So we have two solutions. The first one requires histamine reduction by buying extremely fresh meats. You see, some butchers buy the slaughtered animal and they're right the next morning they're opening up it, and within a couple hours they sell to the public, so you get the animal right there. If you enjoy lamb or goat or other smaller than beef animals, prefer those because they will be lower in histamine. You freeze it and you always cook from frozen. For example, you get an air fryer. Some air fryers cost $30. They have temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. You put a 2-finger height steak in there for 10 minutes each side, and it will be fully warm on the inside, and it will be ready for you to eat. Another solution is that we increase the ability for our bodies to break down the histamine. Kidneys have the DAO enzyme, the one responsible for that breakdown. So we that have a sensitivity to histamine should be eating kidneys every day. Either kidneys or a kidney supplement or any other type of DAO enzyme that is 100% animal based. So it's as simple as this. You see, histamine intolerance, besides anger, can leave you with a tight chest. Even at the bigger amounts, it can even give you heart palpitations. Your legs will be heavy. For example, you go for a cycle and you feel it hurts you to push your legs further. You'll have a lack of energy. You'll feel heavy. So reduce your histamine through cooking from frozen, and break down your histamine through the DAO enzyme. The most natural way, you buy kidneys, it's cheap, cut them into little gummy sized bits, freeze it, and when you cook your meats, put 5 gummies in there, maybe 2, maybe 1, whatever, do what it feels like for you, but make sure you eat that every day, because this might take quite a while to resolve. And eating nose to tail is not a bad idea, and it appears that it is actually very helpful. So if you're just starting out on the organ dominion, kidneys is the one that you not only should be trying, you need, because of the enzyme that will break down the histamine for you. I want you to have the best emotional health. That's why I made this video. That's why I make all of the other videos about body, some around mind, and others about home. So if you like this one, leave a like. If you know somebody who can benefit from this, send them the link. And if you want to check more, check my channel. If they are not enough, just hit that subscribe button, because more will come. Thanks.